sorry, Drake. I think I need my moment to sing too, cause it ain't over until I say it. Yeah, the city is mine, nigga. And we ain't talking about shit. I'm talking about that picture of me. I got that on my back. Look, I'm still the same nigga. No, I never change. I give a different lane, but I stay in my game. These niggas mad at me, man, a picture without a frame. So can you advise? I give it no advice. These niggas mad at me cause I stepped up my price. I got a few diamonds and let go to ice. These niggas mad at me. I let go to the diamonds and these niggas is mad at me cause they can't find me. Why? Cause my nigga, I'm too high priceless. You niggas mad at me, man. Y'all shooting dice still? Hold on, you thought I gave you little ice pill. I thought I gave you bitch, man, that whip appeal. Cause I be that same nigga that's trying to get a meal. But y'all niggas don't wanna see me struggle, give me deals. But I take it in, I just rip all the contracts. And I can give a fuck, nigga, give me mine back. You want me to show love, but it ain't no love. You dudes is tripping, so I give it a buzz. So I can play it like a butter rim, like the Tox. And you already know, sock your ass like Pox. Niggas don't wanna play, but I play for the keys. And these niggas is mad at me cause I play for the sheets. And she just wanna freak, and she just wanna freak. But I tell her to take a picture, but don't take a peek. Nah, man, I just leave it stuck on leak. Nigga, this is me, by myself. No, it's not over. Hot, cold melt. These niggas mad at you. Oh, to yourself? No, fuck the game. Fuck the industry. I don't need them, and they don't need me. Man, I'm something like Clifto. Call me Bad C. And I be that nigga right there. Bad Key. But I'm not done yet. And these niggas is mad at me. No guns yet. Because it never got serious to really play for it. And you niggas is mad at me because I played for it. But I'm not talking about team rivalries. Niggas mad at me. Team bad rivalries. Nigga, who you call? Call it revolutionary wars. And niggas is mad at me. The weed is leaking through all of my pores. As soon as I walk in, entrance doors. Niggas mad because I'm steady on they fours. Man, I mean hoes. Fuck that. Eat it down, socks, everything, all fours. Tell her to get down on mine. I can take it, but I'ma take shorts all shine. I got diamonds. No, I'm not shining. I said, fuck it, it's too priceless. I ain't this. I'm something like AIM, instant message. They just mad at me, cause I send an instant message without having to send it. Man, I'm steadily blended. These niggas mad at me, man, cause I never pretended to be who I am, cause I'm me. But it's gonna cost for life. This is free. But if you try to take it from me, you might get lost. And I'm probably telling you niggas that I'm the boss without no Rick or without the Ross. So tell me what's up and what does it cost? Just like mine. You know, just do me. That's it.